Hey everybody, and welcome back to math class. Today we are going to be talking about how to calculate area of a circle. Now, in previous grades, you've done area of a rectangle, you've done area of a square, you've done area of a triangle. That's going to be the tough one. And now we're going to add in area of a circle. So first, let's review our parts of a circle. So if you have a circle, freehand it. The radius and the diameter are our big pieces of the circle that we need to pay attention to. Diameter goes all the way across. If you draw the line all the way across and then trace the outside, that kind of looks like a capital D. D stands for diameter. So that is the diameter. This one is the diameter. Okay. The radius starts at the center and then goes to the edge. So it's half of the diameter. And if you turn your paper like this, you can kind of imagine that and then it kind of comes across like this. So that's radius. So radius. So radius is this one. Diameter goes all the way across. Now, we did circumference. Remember, circumference is 2 times pi times r, or pi times d. So circumference is 2 pi r, or circumference is pi times diameter. We are not using those formulas to find area of a circle. The area formula, write this down. A equals, A stands for area, equals pi. How much is pi again? Pi is 3.14. If you need to write that down, pi is 3.14. And then radius squared. This does not mean times 2. Not times 2. What that exponent of 2 means, this 2 up here means that we're going to do radius times radius. So essentially we're doing pi times radius, or radius squared. So here's our step-by-step guide on how to find area of a circle. Step 1, we have to know the radius. So step 1, what is the radius? Once we know the radius, step 2, we're going to do radius times radius. Well, ideally, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to write down the formula. So write down the formula, and then what is the radius? Step 2, we do exponents first. So it's radius times radius. And then after I do radius squared, what's left? I need to multiply by pi. So step 3, I'm going to multiply by 3.14, which is pi. So step 1, what's the radius? Step 2, radius times radius. Step 3, multiply by 3.14. So let's do an example. I told you that there was a circle. So here's my circle, and this is 32. First, what is this? 32. Is that radius or diameter? This is diameter. So I'm going to write my formula. The unspoken rule number 1, write the formula. So A equals pi r squared. Step 1, what is the radius? How much is the radius here? Radius is 16 because half of 32 is 16. So radius is 16. So I'm going to rewrite it as 3.14 times 16 squared. Step 2, radius times radius. So I have to do 16 times 16, which is how much? Work it out. 16 times 16 is 256. Then last step, multiply by 3.14. So what is 256 times 3.14? You get 803, so 803.84. You have to be able to multiply 3-digit numbers, because if the answer is open-ended and you don't have multiple choice, you have to be able to go out 2 decimal places. So you have to be able to multiply these kinds of digits. All right. Here's another one. Let's do this one. A hubcap has a radius of 16 centimeters. What is the area? Go ahead and work this one out. The area is 803.84. You would do 16 times 16 times 3.14. This is exactly the question that we just did. So I hope you got that one. All right, here's another one. The most popular pizza at Pavone's Pizza is the 10-inch personal pizza with 1 topping. What is the area of a pizza with a diameter of 10 inches? Find the area of a pizza with the diameter of 10 inches. All right. So the answer is 78.5. You have to do 5, because that's the radius. 5 times 5, then times 3.14. All right, I'm going to let you go practice. I will see you guys next time. Good luck. Bye.